That's Kyra with all
This is my jewelry. This is a heart, and I just got my nails done. So.
Bro, but they're not chicks, bro. They're cocks.
Nin cock tinu.
आपका नाम क्या है?
Hi. Hey, Kiran.
This is Kyra for you in Mumbai.
Yo, what's up? What's up?
Alright guys, day 2 in Mumbai. I'm so sorry because I could not conclude day 1. It was super tiring guys. We did a lot of walks pop and city doesn't sleep until 3 AM minimum. So right now me and Vibhu from our stay, we're just walking towards Starbucks. Gonna grab some coffee to just kickstart the day. Gonna have some breakfast as well. I'm not sure of the venue name, bro. What is the venue name that we're going to shoot today?
Carter Road.
Yeah. I'm asking which venue the guy is saying Carter Road. Carter Road is somewhere where we're going and shooting content today, but after that we're going to some club which is apparently 3 floors and has a good niched out crowd on a Friday. So yes, it's going to be pretty interesting. Let's see how it goes. Bastion last night was absolutely amazing. And also while we were just waiting for our cab, we saw Raftar just walk in front of us. Vibhu flipped, I flipped. Like, Raftar was just normally walking, in very normal clothes, just getting into his S-Class with his friends. Just passed by us. And when he comes to his shows, it's like all hyped up. Here it was like a normal dude getting into his car. That's Mumbai for you guys. Anyways, we're heading to Starbucks now. It's super sunny. I did not put my sunscreen on. I'm gonna get tanned for sure. So unfortunately, Starbucks was not around here. The guy at the reception where for the place we're staying in said Starbucks is right behind. But it's Blue Takai coffee and chayos. We're going to Blue Takai. Nice how all three are just here together. Like you drink whatever the fuck you want. What do you look like?
Homeless.
Vibhu says he looks homeless as fuck, sitting with Blue Takai coffee and cappuccino. And I have the Americano right here.
Many hours later.
Alright guys, so we just got ready. Day 2 Mumbai. We are ready. And now we're going to Carter Road because apparently in Carter Road you can find a lot of interesting people to do walks pop with. So we're recording in Carter Road and then going to Enrique. I finally got the venue name right. Venue name not right. It's just that I just know the venue name right now. I did not know it earlier, but yes, we're going to Enrique after Carter Road. It's going to be a good event with Icarus once again, and we both all set with the Hyper Visuals hoodie. Let's go. So we don't know what we are asking today. We need to make the questions now. This is always our scene before a shoot. Even brand collabs, guys. We just make it mostly on the spot until and unless a script is asked for. And I think we're just good at our work now with the amount of times we have recorded and been doing this. It's been almost, let's say, more than 1.5, 2 years now. And we've had like 7,000 people on camera. It's absolutely amazing. But yes, Carter Road, here we come.
Okay.
So I was stuck in a little bit of a situation as soon as I got off the cab. You can see people laughing. So I really had to use the washroom. So I came into a park, some joggers park. Pretty interesting. There's a lot of people actually jogging in joggers park. But either way, it's a huge ass space with a lot of people, a kids play area, a lot of greenery. Quite nice. It's also very close to the sea right here. Anyways, we're going into Carter Road. I think Carter Road is the other way and we had to come all this way just to use a public washroom. But now we are heading to Carter Road. We'll also try to see if we can shoot some content out here in the park as well. I think we should explore the park, bro. What do you think?
Yeah, bro. I think we should.
Let's explore the park first before we head to Carter Road. And we found some hens here as well.
Chicks, you should say. Bro.
Bro, but they're not chicks, bro. They're cocks.
Nin cock tinu.
Oh, and we have some swans also here. So guys, we are finally here at Carter Road. This is the entrance. I'm not able to figure out what kind of crowd is here, what kind of shoot we're going to do. But yes, we're going to give it a try. Guys, it's good, bro. Still something. There's a proper skate park here, guys. leaving, no?
Yeah,
I think our crowd is gone. Guys, we are so confused because there's only like Maharashtrians and very random mix of people. We are ready with the whole setup, but we don't think we can do walk pop here. It's really not ideal crowd. At least not the type of crowd that we put on our page. There's so many random things happening here that I'm not able to figure out at all. Alright guys, so something super unexpected happened. We're walking in Carter Road thinking we are not really finding people to shoot the video. But for our luck, there's a concert happening right behind us. I'm not sure which art it is, but there's a lot of people out here. We're going to shoot. It's going to be a lovely day. Let's go. I'm out here in Carter Road. We're just doing Vox Pop, and I bumped into.
What's up, man? What's up?
What's
Parth,
your name?
Parth. My name is Parth.
Okay, Parth. So Parth just came asking if I'm Hyperfit X, and he was just completely confused why I'm in Bombay.
Yeah, I mean, I've seen you in Bangalore, like out of nowhere, you're in Mumbai. What are you doing here?
I mean, I'm just chilling, bro. I'm recording content.
Crazy,
So,
crazy.
how long are you following, and what all do you watch from our
I think I've
channels?
been following for 2 years now.
So yeah.
I've been watching you like since like originally when you like blew up in Vox Pop, and then I've seen your YouTube as well when you used to do like BTS of like the concerts that used to happen in Bangalore.
Yes.
So yeah, I've been following your journey for a while now.
Awesome, bro. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Kudos to Parth.
Bye bye. Tata.
Hey guys.
आपको ये देखते हैं। आपका नाम क्या है?
Hi. Hey, Kiran.
Look at this guy, just disrupting traffic, doing something with a horse. But yeah, I cannot say much because it's Mumbai and Mumbai has its own rules. Carter's Blue looks nice. But there was this place where I came and had rolls the last time. I really can't find it again. Oh yeah, Frankie. Bro, we should try a Frankie. Frankie is the thing that I was talking about. Will you try a Frankie?
Yeah, we'll try the prank.
Let's go. So that's Vibhu enjoying his Frankie so much that he's dropping it right now. But guys, I have to tell you, this is the second time I'm trying this Frankie and it's really good. Like it's really, really good. The mutton just melts in your mouth, guys.
Nice.
Alright guys, so straight from Carter Road to Onreek right now. It's pretty jam-packed out here. There's a lot of people and the traffic is out of control. God knows what people are doing. But either ways, we're heading to Onreek right now. Hopefully this is the entrance. Too much traffic, guys. This is Kyra for you in Mumbai.
Yo, what's up? What's up? It's my roommate.
You're in like 4-5 vlogs now, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
When did we shoot them?
Every time you were drunk. So after all the chaos up there, we're heading to a floor below where the whole party and the clubbing scene is happening. That's Kyra with all
This is my
this.
jewelry. This is a heart. I don't know what. This is my other snack. I got it from Lil Flea. I got this from I don't know where. And I just got my nails done. So
वाह क्या सीन है
Alright guys,
Yo.
so we're going to conclude the vlog. It was a long day. She doesn't even know what happened the rest of my day. But yes, it was a long day from morning, work, and then a lot of Vox Pop. We did Vox Pop in 2 places, Carter Road and
On
then
that
here
ride.
in Onreek. Then we got
I
Kyra
have
on
video
camera always. And guys, so with that, we conclude day 2 Mumbai. Day 3 is going to be Miraj. And she says she's not going to come, but I'm going to ask her to come for sure. I'm going to make sure she's there. So you'll see her on day 3 vlog as well.
oh, we'll see about that. We'll see about that.
Okay.
In the night when